In this video, we will be showing you how you can fix if your screen mirroring is not working. First is to do this. You can verify if your Android and the display are on the exact same Wi-Fi network. Also, you can restart the devices. Power cycle your phone or your TV and even your Wi-Fi router. And check for any system updates on your phone and TV and update the mirroring applications. So do this deeper troubleshooting. If it doesn't fix anything, turn off the Bluetooth and any active VPN on your phone as they can interfere in the connection. You can also disable the battery saver mode on your Android phone as it can restrict mirroring. So go to your phone settings and find the apps like Google Home or the mirroring application and clear its cache and data. And that's how you can fix screen mirroring that is not working on Android. And thank you for listening.